السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. اليوم راح نبغى فيديوهات إعلانات على زوسوسيش، يعني على لأنه أنا أبدأ أنتظر اللعبة أصلا بس.
Now you're a night zookeeper. The job is not difficult. You have nothing to worry about.
Next up, we've got a brand new trailer for a...
Now you are a zookeeper. The job is not difficult. You have nothing to worry about.
Floods in Australia, spiders emerge, there are webs everywhere.
Ew! Thank God I don't live in Australia. Gross spiders. Whoa, buddy! How did you get out? Ah! Night Zookeeper. Paul Connolly.
We'll bring fresh meat soon and wait for notifications. For now, get to work. And don't mess it up.
Hey, cuties. See you, Daisy. Hey, don't fight. Damn, I need to hurry up. Take your medicine, buddy.
Excellent. The zoo needs those who aren't afraid to ask. But even more so, it needs those who find answers themselves.
Fuck! What's this for?
Oh, are you finally awake? I still have a lot to show you.
Meanwhile, your duties include taking care of the animals, preparing their food, feeding them, cleaning their enclosures. The most important thing is to monitor their health to ensure they don't die. The body camera serves as a witness to the events. It's tightly integrated into the game's story. The setting of the game is very different from a regular zoo. You will have to move between gloomy enclosures on the special train. The train is equipped with everything necessary for animal care and observation. A trolley with gadgets that will help you collect samples and data of the animal's health. A veterinary station for creating meds to help sick animals recover. They will be grateful to you for this. Your time is limited. Some animals are infected with an unknown parasite. It turns cute creatures into dangerous monsters. You need to investigate, examine the animals and collect their samples to prepare a special cure. The monster... See ya.
استمتعتوا بس أريد أشوف أهم شيء. خلينا نشوف ناكر الصور. بس طبعا أنا الصورة أنشرها يعني هاي على اللعبة راح أنشرها طبعا من أنشر الفيديو.